Welcome to Sign with JP. Today we're learning ASL signs for chores. Chores in ASL is signed as duties. Duties comes from work. The sign for work, hold your non-dominant fist and then make a fist with your other hand, and we're going to tap the bottom of your palm on top. See where I am? I'm not knocking it. That means rock. We don't want that. We want work. Okay, so the sign for work. Duties, which means chores, we're going to do the same thing, but we're going to initialize with a D and just tap that D right there. So when it comes from work, duties, all the duties that we have to take care of. Let's start with clean. Hold out your non-dominant hand, put your dominant hand on top, and we're just going to swipe it. And this kind of looks like, as the kids say, make it rain. I don't even know if they still say that anymore. I might be dating myself, but that's the sign for clean. Then we have house cleaning, or clean the house, but in ASL, we're going to sign house and then clean. House has a roof and walls, and then we're going to sign clean. So if I'm saying I'm going to be cleaning my house, clean the house. Wash the dishes, my teenager's favorite thing to do. First, the sign for dish is not an actual sign, it's what's called a classifier, but we're just going to hold out two fingers and make a plate. Right? Then I'm going to hold the plate. I'm going to take an A hand and I'm going to scrub it. Okay, so this is the sign to wash. So if I have my plate and I'm washing, now I am plate, 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 wash, 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 washing the dishes. Since we're talking about washing, what about washing the car? Car is here. We're going to grab the steering wheel and kind of rock it side to side. But if I wash the car, not washing it like this, I have my car and I wash it with two hands. It's bigger, it's wider, so I wash it. If your house is anything like mine, you have animals. And a crazy thing, animals eat every day. I know, I can't believe it. So we have to feed the animals. Take both hands, put fingers together, but thumbs out. Bend them at this knuckle. Put it on your chest and then wave them side to side, in and out. That is animals. Okay, now you can list off your animals. For this video, I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to say animals. And then food is here, but then we're going to sign to give. So it's the same hand shape. It's an O that's flat. That is food. And then I'm going to use two hands and I'm going to give, 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 give. So in ASL, we sign. And in English, we're going to say feed the animals, right? In ASL, we're signing animals, food, give, give, give. Next, we have clothes and all the errands that come with clothes. Clothes, take 5 hands. And we're going to swipe the thumb down on the chest. So that's clothes. And when I alternate it, this means more like I'm putting them on. Like I put on this thing, I put on that thing. Okay, so get dressed. Clothes, get dressed. Then we have laundry. Take both hands in kind of a claw, like I'm holding something, and I'm going to twist them opposite each other. Laundry. And this is laundry, how we refer to laundry in English. Laundry can be the pile of dirty clothes. It can be the act of doing laundry. And it can also refer to the laundry machine. But I'm going to give you an extra sign for that. So for now, we have laundry. Machine, take your hands and put them interlocked like this with your fingertips on the inside, okay? And then we go up and down. Imagine these are gears, okay? This means a machine. So if we're talking specifically about the washing machine or the laundry machine, we're gonna sign the sign for dry. We're gonna take one finger on our chin and bring it across as we curl it. So some people do it right here on the chin. I tend to go underneath the chin. Those are just accents. They mean the same thing. And again, if we're talking specifically about the drying machine, we can use the dryer, as we say. And once our clothes are washed and dried, now we have to fold them and put them away. So we're going to sign clothes, so we know what we're talking about. The sign for fold, we're just going to fold one and fold the other. Fold, fold. Put away, we're going to grab it, and we're going to whoop, 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 whoop. I'm thinking, in my head, it's a little Mary Poppins style. So That is how you sign fold and put away the clothes. Next, we have trash. Take one finger on your dominant hand, touch your wrist on the bottom, and swipe it up and around to your elbow, like that. That is trash. And when we say take out the trash, we're gonna sign trash, because that's our topic. Then we're gonna grab the trash can and we're gonna dump it out. Take out the trash. Next is sweeping. Use your non-dominant hand as the floor, and then we have this as the broom, and we're just going to sweep. However, if we're outside, we may not be sweeping, but we are raking. And what do we usually rake? Leaves. So here's your tree, and the leaves come down the tree. In ASL, we're going to sign leaves first, and then we will sign raking. Leaves, raking. Another sign for leaves is instead of making the tree, we're just going to hold like one finger out as the branch, and a leaf fell down. Vacuuming. This is probably one of the easiest signs. We just grab the vacuum, puff our cheeks out, and vacuum. The puff cheeks helps you understand what this is, because this is a fairly like generic movement. Like, what is that? But when I do, especially if I know that I'm talking about this, it's pretty clear what that is. Mowing the lawn or the grass. Grass is this really strange sign. We're gonna take a kind of claw hand like we're holding a bowl, and we kind of bring it out to our chin and out. Grass. I know where they come up with these things. Grass. To mow, just imagine you're pushing the mower. We always sign grass first, because this sign could be pushing anything from a stroller to a shopping cart to a mower. So we got to know what we are doing. And as soon as I sign grass and we're pushing something over the grass, it is very clear that this is now mowing. And lastly, something that we all probably do almost every day, and that is cook. Cook, hold out your non-dominant hand as your cooking surface, and we're going to flip the food back and forth. Cook. Yes, you made it to the end of our chores list, learning so many ASL signs. If you've been hanging with me, I know that you're learning a ton. I strongly encourage you to go through those, sign them, and practice them, and use them in your daily life. And when you're doing those things, sign it. Oh, today, that's what I'm doing. And the more you do it, the better you'll be able to recall it, and the more easily you'll be able to produce it. And that's our goal here. My goal is that I'm teaching you ASL, and I am really hoping you are learning ASL. So like and subscribe so you can see more content, and leave me a comment on what you thought about today's video and what you'd like to see in the future. I'm JP. Keep on signing.